Hello there, beautiful people. How is everyone doing? My name is Raya bin Malik, and today in this video I'm gonna share with you my recipe for coffee scrub. I've been using this scrub for almost 2 years, and it's amazing because of this. I don't use any of chemical scrubs. It's very amazing. It's like this. You will see it in the video how I make it. I noticed actually 3 things using this scrub. My body skin becomes clear. There's no dimples, no acne, no nothing. It's very hydrating. It doesn't leave my body dry. I really love this recipe and I can't stop using it. I know most of you know this coffee scrub, but in my recipe there is some little change. It's the same but some little change. We'll see it in the video how I make it. I hope you like it and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello again. So in a clean container, use any container you have. I use a plastic, you can use glass either. Use what's best for you. I put around 1 tablespoon of salt and 14 tablespoons of ground coffee. You can skip the salt if you want. And I put around 8 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't want to use olive oil, you can use jojoba oil or coconut oil or sweet almond oil. And if you want it to be a little bit in the dry side, just put 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I put around a teaspoon of tea tree oil. We all know the benefit of tea tree oil. And tablespoon of cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil is actually the star of this recipe because cinnamon oil helps with cellulites and blood flow and clear the body from any dimples or acne. It's very good actually. And tablespoon of mint oil for the tingly sensation, and lemon oil also for the benefit of because it's rich in vitamin A. You can use only coffee, olive oil, cinnamon oil and tea tree oil. You can skip the mint and the lemon if you want. This is actually the recipe that I have been using for almost 2 years, and I see a lot in my body. My body becomes clear, becomes hydrated. It's not as dry, especially when I use it, and I don't have to use any moisturizer after it. I hope you like it. See you in the next. Bye.